In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Ledger Live Desktop. Now, of course, if you need a Ledger device, the official Ledger device, you can use my link down below in the description and you can get one yourself, as well as some bonus Bitcoin. And you will also support the channel that way. Now, if you want to actually update the Ledger Live Desktop app, once a new version of Ledger Live is released, it will basically progressively become available for all Ledger users. And now you'll see a banner here up top, which is basically going to say a download update, and you can click on download update, and then whenever you've actually done that, you will see banner that looks like this. I just got a screenshot over here. It's going to be like orange and it's going to say install now and relaunch, and you just want to click that, confirm, go through the installation process, and then once you basically do that, your app has been successfully updated and you can now use the newest version of Ledger Live Desktop. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.